They say that champions don't do one thing 100% better, they do 100 things 1% better than their competition. As an example, the goal of any flooring salesperson is to have their customer satisfied with as few surprises as possible. Believe it or not, this is any competent installer's goal as well. Too often, though, these goals get sidetracked by poor communications that usually result in the customer being adversely affected. It is critical that salespeople are prepared for their upcoming installations every time. I am sure that you don't appreciate having your time wasted. No one does. Why should we expect an installer to feel any differently? Make sure to have all documents that the installers expect to deliver ready to go. These items may include paperwork showing any balance due to be collected, warranty documents, care brochures, product maintenance recommendations, etc. Early morning loadout time is often chaotic at many stores. The salesperson is often not present at this location or time of day. No one benefits by time being wasted, especially now. Remember, the mood your installer leaves the warehouse with will likely be the same mood he is in when he greets your customer. Being prepared will help assure that the installation gets started off on the right note.